Welcome! Today we are going to do a gentle pelvic mobility flow to help open tight hips, stretch the hamstring and release tension in the pelvis. Starting at tabletop position and extend your left leg out to the side. As you inhale, slowly glide your hips forward and you exhale, move your hip back. Let your pelvis create a smooth, gentle wave. Keep your shoulder relaxed and move with your breath. This movement helps improve pelvic mobility while gently stretching the hamstring and working up the muscles around your hips. Switch side with the other leg. Extend your right leg out to the side. Again, slowly glide your hip forward and back. Move with control. There is no need to rush. Allow your pelvis to move freely and notice how your hips begin to open. Keep breathing. Beautiful. Now stay back for a while. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Let go all your weight. Come back to the center. Now move into frog pose. Place your knees wide apart and keep your feet in line with your knees. Take a deep breath. Slowly rock your body forward and then gentle back. This is a frog pose with a variation. This movement helps open the inner thigh, improve the hip mobility, and create more space through the pelvis. Only move as far as your body feels comfortable. Stay relaxed. Breathe deeply. With each gentle rock, allow your hips to soften a little more. The third movement. Close your knees. Go forward and backward. Let the hips rest on the mat. Let the pelvis rest on the mat. Open the chest and back. Forward, open the chest, back. Down your hips softly, open the chest, lift your jaw, and then come back to Balasana. Inhale, open the chest, exhale, back. Repeat this moment, maybe 10 or 15 repetitions. 15 repetitions. Lie down on your stomach, bend your knees and let them gently move from side to side. Relax your hips, relax your pelvis, release any remaining tension. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope your hip feels lighter, more open and more relaxed. See you in the next practice.